Now here is a cool customized street rod. Check out this 1948 Buick Roadmaster. It's been restored and, like I said, turned into a customized street rod. As you can see, the custom paint on it, kind of the ghost flames and the gray bumpers that highlights the flat black paint to it. Some beautiful red pinstriping on it, set off by the wide whites and the red pinstriping on the wheels. Buick wheel covers. Very, very cool looking car. This particular car is powered by a 350 GM V8 underneath the hood. That's paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Has a Mustang 2 front suspension, Willwood brakes up front. Also has an Air Ride Technologies Air Ride suspension underneath it, so you can lower this one down to the ground, adjust the ride height, adjust how it rides with different passengers or different amount of passengers in the car. You can see the still pictures, so you can check out that underneath of it. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Rear suspension is a 4-link. Does have rack and pinion steering up front also. And you can see the under hood pics. I got a bunch of the engine bay pics on that website I just mentioned, uniqueclassiccars.com. The hood still does open like a stock Roadmaster hood, so if you look at the pictures, you'll see it's kind of the piano style hood where it will fold from both sides. Call this a kind of a cool driver quality car. Paint's pretty darn nice on it. The rear fender skirts, Frenched in taillights in the back, your marker lights on the side. You definitely won't see another one sitting just exactly like this if you're taking it to a show and showing her off a little bit. Custom interior, we'll check that out in a second. Does have vintage air underneath the hood also. You'll see the controls for that when I get around to the passenger, or get around to the driver's side here and open the door for you. Show you down along the sides where that flame been carried on back through the front and rear door. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. So the gray and black theme carried on throughout the interior. Gotta get the glare out of there. There you can see it. This door card's in nice shape. Does have power windows. Windows are tinted. See the custom seats in it. Two-tone buckets. Center console parking brake, as well as the window controllers there. Speakers integrated down into the center console. So you can also see it does have tilt steering. There's your custom dash with the vintage air controls. Cup holders there also. Aftermarket gauges. Kenwood stereo. Very nice looking. Also has a suede headliner. I'll try to remember to show you when I come out with the camera and show the roof. Let's go ahead and start it up. Nice little rumble out of that Chevy V8. See the gauges all here to work there. Obviously the temperature gauge will come up when the engine warms up. There's your air ride control. The suede headliner also in nice shape. Come around to the back. Nice little rumble out of that. Let's go ahead and lower those bags and lower her down once here. We'll give you a look at what it looks like when it's lowered. All right, that should give us a good idea. 1948 custom street rod made out of a Roadmaster. Again, check out any of the still pictures you'd like to see. UniqueClassicCars.com. Any questions on this car, please feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Excuse me, 507-386-1726.